Good morning everyone. My name is Vinesh Positive, BGMIT, Mudal in Mechanical Department. Today our discussion is the vapor compression air condensers. We aim to demonstrate the working of air conditioning system. The second one to demonstrate the cooling, heating and humidity of the process. The third one to find the coefficient of the performance of television air conditioning unit. This is the aim. What is the apparatus? Cooling coil, air heater, steam generator, suction fan, wall system, duct system, compressor, pressure gauge. Then it is. What is the theory of the vapor compression? The theory is the sense of the air conditioning that deals with the maintaining the desirable internal air conditions irrespective of external atmospheric conditioning. The factory involved the air conditioning installations are the temperature, humidity, air movement of the circulation, air filling, cleaning, the purifications. This is the air apparatus of the theory. This is the vapor compression air conditioning. Then how to observation? What is the observation of the air conditioning? This is the observation. What is the T1, the inlet temperature, T2, the discharge temperature, T3 temperature of the refrigerant after the condensation, T4 temperature of the after the expansion, T5 dry bulb temperature at inlet, T6 wet bulb temperature at outlet, T7 dry bulb temperature after the evaporated, T8 wet bulb temperature after the evaporated. P1 is the low pressure refrigerant, P2 high pressure refrigerant. Here relative humidity of the air at 1 delta O, relative of the humidity of the air at 2. The HW is equal to H1 plus H2. T is the time taken for the 10 blinks. This is the observation. So what is the tableau column? The tableau column is the serial number versus type. The pressure P1 and P2, temperature T1 to T8, time from the 10 blinks, how much of it taken, the reading. This is the overall observation. The calculation part. What is the use of the formula? Formula. The height H is equal to 1000 into HW divided by delta A. The delta A is equal to constant 1.169 kg per cube. The discharge Q is equal to CD A naught under root of 2GH. The C is the 0.62. A naught is the pi by 4 D naught square. The D naught is value is 0.09 meter. The mass flow rate M is equal to rho by under the AV Q. मतलब rho Q. Q is the discharge. Discharge. Heat absorbed by the air. QH is equal to mCp delta T. Delta T how to calculate it? T5 minus T8. The Cp means is a constant 1.005 kilojoule per kg. The power input N 1 into D60 into number of the revolution. E is the 3200 volt. T is the time taken for the 10 blinks. This is the practically, this is the theoretically. How to the theoretical and practical, the relative is the comparison. The overall, this is the vapor compression of the air conditioning. AM apparatus theory, observation and tableau column. This is the formula. Then let us start how to conduct the experiment. This is the vapor compression air conditioner of the setup. This is the main. This is the main. This is the compressor. Main instrument. This is the compressor. This is the condenser. This is the condenser. Then you have to in that side that you operated. This is the you operated. This is the P1 pressure, P2 pressure. Then energy meter. This is the temperature. This is the volt and current. This is the H1 and H2. Let us start the temperature. You have to the different types of the temperature T1, T2, T3. This is the T1 is the section, the first temperature there. T1 is the section inlet temperature. This is the discharge temperature T2. Then this is the T3, the temperature of completion of after the condension reaction T3. Then you have T4. T4 means temperature of the after the condensation, the T4. Then it goes to T5. The T5 means dry bulb temperature. T6 means wet bulb temperature before evaporated in these two temperature. Then after the evaporated temperature, wet is the T7 wet bulb temperature. This is the dry bulb temperature. This is the wet bulb temperature. The after the evaporated. These are all things of the temperature T8. Then how to start the experiment? Before starting the then on it. Start the experiment. This is the temperature. This is the T1, T2. This is the temperature. This is the whole and current. This is the energy equator. Then start. Start. 10 minutes the wait. 10 minutes wait, and after that note down the reading. What is the note down the reading? This is the P1 reading. In this case, the two readings. The one inside is LPN. It's the right one and black one. And the black one is the reading. Next one, LPN in square pressure. You have to note down the LPN in square. This is the LPN in square. The black color reading as the LPN in square. You have to note down the two T1 and T2. Then note down the temperature in different types of T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8. And note down the temperature. Then you have to every time annulation, how much of the time taken. You have to note down. This is the T. The village. This is the vapor compression air conditioner.